Hi there, I'm Josh from Fine and Country of Bideford and welcome to Oakenbury House here in Silford Cross, Westward Ho. Now this lovely 5-bedroom detached period home is coming to the market for the first time in over 45 years, and it is something that is truly lovely, characterful and charming throughout. It offers so much space and it even sits on a generous 1.5 acre plot, but still within a short drive to Westward Ho Beach. But enough of this, and come on inside and take a look for yourself. So finishing up here in the generous front gardens of Oakenbury House, I hope you like what you've seen on your tour today, but this property will be coming onto the market for a guide price of £750,000. And if you would like to arrange your viewing, then why not give us a call on 01237 426 018.